Hello everyone, namaste. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. Okay. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow, guys. Okay. So the topic for today is spiritual messages for 2021. So what are you learning spiritually, next year, that is 2021, what you will be learning spiritually, what are the messages, like that is the topic for this reading. So we have three groups over here. I have like these charms also. Okay. And the cards. Okay, so this is for group number one. Okay, group number one, and we have the charm two hearts. Okay, so this is the charm for group number one. Okay, then for group number two we have this card, and we have a coin here. Okay, and for group number three we have this card, and we have this charm, both charm. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So close your eyes, relax your mind, take few deep breaths, and then which card or which charm you're connected, you feel connected intuitively, just go ahead and select that pile. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box below, and this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So I'm gonna go with group number one. Okay, so hello group number one, whoever chose this card and this charm. So I feel it's all about love for you guys. In 2021 you will be loving yourself. At the same time, I feel there is a connection happening for you guys, spiritual connection. I feel like that, maybe you will be accepting yourself the way you are, and because of that you are going to attract more people towards you. This is what I feel like for this, with this charm. And it can be that it can be, maybe you're just loving your job, or maybe just you're loving your home life or something like that. Just love, love is the main focus for you guys, I feel, for 2021. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, awareness. So this is what you got. So what are you learning spiritually? I feel like that's awareness. Awareness is like the sun. When it shines on things, they are transformed. Okay, yeah. So you are going to be very aware of things. You will know what you want from life, what you are doing, what is good for you, what is not good for you. So that is what this love is. You're going to be all about love. You're going to accept yourself the way you are. You're accepting your shadow side. I feel for many of you, you will be working, or you have started working on your inner self. You will be aware of your shadow side as well as your good side. And when you're aware of things, you can change your behavior, your patterns, and you will be aware what is not good for you. And because of that, you will make good changes. I feel like that. The awareness, look, is is like the sun. Things can be transformed, like right. So you're going to be very, very aware of your emotions, of your thoughts. So you will be aware when you're like you are like thinking very negative. You'll be aware of that, and you will just transform it to a positive thought. So a lot of awareness, that is what you're gonna learn. I feel for 2021 you are learning, or right now you're working on that, your inner self. You're going to be I feel when you're aware of certain things, no one from outside can break you. I feel like that, you know, when you're aware of your own identity, you know, you will be aware of your own identity. I feel like that, what you are, who you are. So because of that, no negative comment or nothing can break you down. I feel like that, because you will be so aware and so in love with yourself. So I feel for many of you, you are stepping into your like self-love thing, where you'll be loving yourself the way you are, accepting your faults, you know, the things that is not so, maybe because of the society they say that this is not good, but you are accepting that, you're accepting all that thing, you're loving every inch of your body. I feel that is what you're getting there. You're just loving yourself, you're gonna love yourself, you're gonna embrace yourself, you're gonna embrace your emotions also very well. I feel like that, that is what here I'm feeling that. So I feel for 2021 things are changing, you know. You are thinking which thing, you know, which, you know, you will be thinking which is not good for you, what things are good for you, if this relationship is good for you, if it's not good for you, you know, if this career is good for you. You are just gonna think and, you know, and do something that is like, you know, you will use your heart. I feel like that you will be taking decisions based upon your heart, what your heart is saying, and you're gonna go with it, you know, because you will be so aware of the things you actually want. I feel for this while you will be very connected to the divine also, because I feel your heart center is gonna open up, and you will be receiving the blessings also, because you are the thing is, you know, there have been with this 5, lot of changes are coming in your life for sure. The main changes I see is within yourself. Okay, you are transforming from inside, you are becoming your own goddess. I feel like that kind of energy, because when you are aware of things, no one can break you. So that kind of awareness is coming here. I'll just read this card for you. So awareness is the amazing knowingness that comes from the intelligence of the mind, the opening of the heart, and the different sensations within the body. Okay, so these 3 major dimensions are simultaneously aware of the different layers of truth, and when in balance can create great contentment and well-being in the body, mind, and spirit. Look, so with this, you know, for some of you, if you are meditating, you can connect with the divine. You know, you can receive messages, you know. So I feel with this triangle, look, the mind, body, and soul, you know, you are being like connected, and you know, when your heart center is open, you will know what you want to do. So that is what you're learning spiritually in 2021. So I feel a great transformation for you guys. Okay, so you are stepping more into your spirituality in 2021. You know, I feel like that is coming here. Okay, so wow, that's beautiful message to start with. Okay, so let's see what else you're learning. Let's see for this card. Okay, so we got one card over here. Yes, adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Look at that. I feel, because of this awareness you have, you know that, when good things happen, you have to accept that when good things happen, we will be happy about that. We don't question that time, why this happened to me, why I got this. We never question that. So when challenges will arrive in your life, you will be also like that only. Okay, so this happened for a reason and I need to take action about it. You will be facing the challenges. That is what you're learning. You're so aware. You're going to be so aware of all the things you want in your life. You are, I feel you're going to be so empowered that no one can break you. No one can break you, because you're going to be very empowered. So for you, challenges will mean nothing, because you will be just moving forward. You will accept that, okay, this happened, so now I have to make another plan and I'll go. You will not, it's important that you if you want to cry, you can cry. That all things are okay, but you are not gonna stop. That is what I'm feeling. You're not gonna stop. You're just gonna move forward. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so let's see what else is coming for you spiritually this 2021. What do I accept? Wow, magic owl. Yes, you know everything. You're so aware of, I feel with this owl card here, maybe your spirit animal is all. Okay. And choose to know the truth because you can. Okay, Yes, your intuition is also going to be very, very strong. You're connected to the divine. I said that. Open your inner vision. You can see through deception. Let the past go and make room for a better life. Rise up. Magic and wisdom are your birthright. Yes. So with this owl, totem, this owl can see at the in darkness also, right? So you are also going to see if someone has, you can see the true self of people, other people. No one can deceive. No one can deceive you, or no one can um, make you, like, make a fool of out of you or something like that. I don't know what but yeah, that is what I'm feeling here. Uh, no one can make you like, they cannot deceive you. You need to trust your intuition. That's what I'm saying here. No one can like break you. No one can take advantage of you. Yeah, that is what it is. No one can take advantage of you. You are going to be very, very empowered. You know yourself. So the only thing, you are aware, I know. So be aware of your intuition also. Trust your intuition, and I'm sure you will be doing that, and you know that who is right for you, who is wrong for you. And I feel, because of that, you will be meeting someone new, or who is like, you will have a spiritual connection with this person. Maybe it's a friend, it can be a friend, it can be anyone. I'm not telling about the only partner or something like that. I'm just talking about like a soulmate whom you will be able to connect spiritually. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah, someone is coming in your life with whom you can share your feelings, your emotions. You can talk about your spirituality, because not many people will understand you. I get that. Sometimes people will not understand what you're going through. When you experience it, then only you will understand. So with the spirituality thing, I feel like that, because you're so aware, and other people will not be aware like you are aware. So it will be difficult to communicate. I feel like that. But you will be having someone in your life that you will be able to communicate all these things that you're going through. It will be easy for you. Someone is coming in your life. I don't know, I feel like that. Or maybe there is someone whom you're connecting with, maybe an online friend or something like that. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, you're going to let go of your past, because you're so aware. You're going to be so aware of the things. You will let go of your past and move forward, and no challenges can break you. That is what I'm getting here. Wow, guys, you're going to be very, very empowered spiritually. You're just gonna transformation. You're going to be, your inner self is going to transform. That is what I'm seeing here. Okay, so what else for my group number 1 divine? Yeah, projections. Yeah, with the 7 of Cups energy, we don't know what we are doing. With the 7 of Cups energy, it's like right now you're so confused. You don't know what to do. You're not aware of the things. But yeah, this is changing. You will be trusting your heart. You will not be trusting other people. You will be trusting your heart. You will be trusting your intuition. You will be aware of the certain things, that what is right for you, what is wrong for you. That is what you're learning right now. I feel like that with the 7 here. Yeah, that is what it's. Yeah, new vision. Yeah, look, I feel these are the energies that you have right now. You are like in between two things. You don't know where you want to go. You're full, there is, with the 7 projection and this card, I feel, both. I feel you are so confused right now, but in 2021, you are getting your new vision. I talked about, look, mind, body, soul. So your vision is completely changing. Your perception about things is completely changing, because you're getting so much of awareness. You're connecting with your divine, and you know what you need to do. Right now, I feel your energy is this, where you don't know. You're so confused right now. I feel like that. But the things will be changing for you guys. You will get a new clarity. You will be getting a new vision. You will be getting clarity. Yeah, so the last, the back of the deck, we have clinging to the past. Yes, you are going to let go of your past. You are going to move forward, and you will be your own boss. I feel like that. Look, with this existence card, you will be knowing why you are in this world. Your vision is completely changing, guys. So wow, a lot of awareness. You are getting out of this situation where you are feeling stuck, where you're feeling confused. You don't know why this person came to your life. Because of I feel like that you are clinging to the past, you don't, but that will change. With this 5 number, you are gonna change, you will get the clarity about certain things. So meditate, guys, okay? Meditation, and trust the divine, have faith in the universe, because you are here for a reason. You are meant to help other people. No challenges can break you. So yes, you're going to, in 2021, I feel for many of you a transformation has started. Okay, you're getting out of this energy, I feel like that. And in 2021, it will be like a huge transformation for you guys. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so yes, you have the magic inside you, and when you accept yourself, when you completely accept yourself the way you are, I feel you are gonna learn that. 2021, you will be accepting yourself, you'll be loving yourself, and as I said, no one can break you. No negative thing, no negativity of other people will affect you, because you will be so strong from inside. So yes, things are changing for you guys spiritually, because I feel for many of you, you are just getting into the spirituality, maybe you are just learning new things about this, and so your transformation will be like very fast also, I feel, when you will get this vision. Okay, for some of you, I feel you are getting in, into it right now. Definitely you will come here. Okay, your vision is changing, your perception is changing about things. You're gonna know why you are here. You're you will be going towards your soul purpose also, I feel like that. So yes, you're getting into spirituality, like new beginning, new awakening, I feel like that for you guys. Okay, so yeah, you will be, when you will so for the 7 projections and this card, I feel like that the confusion that you have right now is going to go, and you will be trusting yourself and the universe, and you will move forward with your goals, with your aspirations. So yes, and no one will able to deceive you, right? So trust your gut feeling, guys. So that's all for group number 1. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2, who chose this coin. Okay, so what are you going to learn spiritually? You selected this card, so let's see what is your message here. Wisdom. Wow. Okay, so for this pile, I feel you're going to be in the, you're advancing, I feel like that, in your spirituality. You're already very, very spiritual people, I feel like that. And for some of you, maybe you're trying to make money through your spirituality. Yeah, I feel like that is gonna happen in 2021. There will be rise in your finances. If you are worrying about that, I feel like that something related to finances, maybe you have certain doubts about it. You're not sure if this career will make enough, so you make enough. Sometimes we question about that, and I feel you will be able to make enough. That is what I'm feeling with this coin. You got the finances, abundance. Financially, you will be abundant in 2021. So what is the lesson you are going to learn is wisdom. Okay, so I feel with this pile, a lot of things right now. You are going to gain more knowledge, I feel like that. In 2021, you will be learning more things. Your inner self, your inner guidance will be very strong, I feel like that. Okay, so last pile also got this 5 number. So yeah, things are changing, things are shifting in 2021 for sure. Okay, I feel many people are like getting into spirituality also. I don't know why I'm feeling like that, yeah, things are changing. Okay, know well what leads you forward and what holds you back, and choose the path that leads to wisdom. So as the Buddha thought, wisdom is the actual means by which we can purify ourselves. Just knowing that this brings calmness, and then faith, and eventually it brings truth to the light. Okay, so yeah, you're getting wiser. I feel you're getting wiser. So that is what you will be understanding so many things, your inner guidance. So that is what you're learning. You're learning to trust your intuition, you're learning to trust your inner guidance. Because of this, you will be moving forward. Okay, for this Payal, I feel like that you're already in the spirituality. You know, you're I feel you're getting more advanced, or yeah, you will be so wise that you will be helping other people. Okay, with your wisdom you will be helping other people. Okay, you will be healing other people. Okay, you will be you will be that kind of people who will be bringing light into other people's life. That is what I'm feeling here. Okay, your words will be healing other people. You, maybe you're healers or something, some spiritual business, I don't know. I feel like that you do something like that. Your words are going to be very healing. You will be giving advice to other people, and that will be like very beneficial for them, because your inner guidance is so strong. Your wisdom is like, you are so wise people. You're humble, you're kind, you're caring, you're at the same time you're wise, and at the same time you're strong people also. So yes, you're I feel for many of you, if you're thinking about your finances, I feel that is what maybe that is what you need to learn, that you don't need to stress about your finances. Everything will be taken care of. You might be stressing about your finances or something like that for some of you, so you don't have to stress about that also. Okay, so you're so wise people. Wow. And yeah, that's what I'm getting. Let's see what else for you guys for group number 2. What are you learning? Yeah, you're going to be very, very courageous, and with this purple color your crown chakra is activated. I know that you are very, your intuition is on point. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you're not that confident right now, but I feel in 2021 you will become very, very confident. You will be very confident about your work. Okay, so for some of you there is self-doubt right now. I feel like that. So that is what is challenging for you right now, that you are not so courageous. You feel, one time you will be like, yeah, I'm doing this, okay, this is my path, and you are sure that this is your path. But then when things will not go that smooth, maybe when your finances are not going that good, you will be doubting yourself. So don't doubt yourself. So that is what I feel you're learning this 2021. You will be not doubting yourself. You will be having that courage, and you will be facing every challenges with confidence. You will have that inner strength. Okay, and you need to trust your intuition, because with this purple color I feel you're so wise. Your wisdom will guide you. Okay, it will lead you to the correct path. Your heart will lead you to the correct path. That's the thing. Okay, so let's see what else for group number 2. Group number 2, what else? I feel you are meant to give hope to other people. So don't lose hope. Believe in yourself. Believe in universe. Sometimes, some days we lose hope, right? So yeah, that is what you're learning in this 2021. I feel like that. Why not? Okay, so for group number 2, there is a message. Okay. Okay, you got 2 cards. Fine. Perseverance. Yeah, you need to, yeah, sometimes, yeah, things will not go the way you want. Maybe your finances are not going good right now, so you're stressing about that. Is this the right path? This is the right path, this is the thing you need to do, but you will be stressing about it. So that is what you're going to learn. You need to be more perseverance. Okay, so you need to believe in it and go with it. Okay, don't stress about that. Okay, look, you have many gifts. No problem can withstand the power of your mind. With patience you can reach your mountain top. Never give up, and good luck will follow. So yeah, so that is what I feel for many of you, this is the challenge here. You impatience, you will be like, oh, why this is not working, why I'm doing my 100%. You'll be doing your 100% and giving your best, and sometimes things will not be like the way you wanted. Okay, so that is what you need to be like, a little more patience is needed. So yeah, you're going to be more patient. You have so much of wisdom inside you, and you know everything, but then too you will be like, that will be the hardest I think this is going to be the challenging thing. You want things very quickly. I feel like that. Okay, so that is the energy I'm feeling here. You want things to change. If you think something, okay, I want to do this, like very quick. You can't wait. So you need to have a little bit patience. Okay, so that is what it's saying here. And I feel you will be you're learning that because your wisdom is also like you know what you want, you know where you're going, you know everything, but only you need to have more patience. Okay guys, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, you're regenerating with this lizard card. Okay, you're just like you're accepting, for many of you I'm feeling that you are accepting yourself the way you are, you're accepting your gifts, your spirituality, and you're going to move forward with it. But sometimes you have this impatience. Okay, so that is what you need to work on. I feel like that you will be working on that, on that like 2021 will be all about trusting the universe, trusting yourself, trusting the divine, and just keep on moving forward and not thinking of giving up. Sometimes you might think of giving up, so yes, don't, no more no more thinking. You know where you're going, you know what is your soul purpose, you know everything. So that the only thing that will be a challenge for you, I think, is your impatience. Okay, so remember, be patient, don't give up. Okay, so yeah. Regeneration. Lizard is all about regeneration, like, right? Okay, so yeah, as a survivor, you are unparalleled. No matter what happens, you can adapt, embrace your transformation, put on your new clock. You are a master of regeneration. Yes, I feel for this pile, you are gonna regenerate. I feel 2021 you will be regenerating, and then you will be changing other people's life. Okay, you have that much wisdom, you're going to change other people's life. Your sole purpose is to do that. You will bring light to other people, you will be helping other people grow. Okay, and now it's like you are changing, you are exploring yourself, you are knowing what you need to, you are making that. I feel when there will be a challenge in your life, you will be very calm. That is what you're learning. Okay, because with this wisdom, I feel like that you're going to be so wise that even when challenges will come, you will be trusting divine, trusting the universe, and going with the flow. Okay, so yeah, you're going to get advanced. I feel like that. Okay, so what are the spiritual messages for my group number 2, guys? Let's see, what are your spiritual messages for group number 2? Okay, group number 2. Messages for group number 2. Thank you, divine. Okay, we have this first card. Yeah, morality. You will be very, very true to yourself. So this is also important, that be true to yourself. Like, this is the Queen of Swords energy. You know what you want from your life. So if someone is like hurting you or something, if you don't want to do something and they are forcing you, you need to speak up. Okay, so whatever the case is, you don't have to do anything that you don't want to do. Okay, be truthful to you also. Don't change. I don't know why I'm getting this. Sometimes it's important to make a boundary. Okay, don't let anyone get into that. Okay, don't let anyone. I feel like that you will be very strong, that you will not let in anyone who will take your peace of mind. Okay, so that is also, yeah, that is also coming. You're going to be very strong, very strong. Okay, next. Yeah, okay, yeah, guilt. So yes, so sometimes you overthink a lot. Okay, so that is what you need to let go. Okay, overthinking, let go of your overthinking, let go of your stress. So because you have so much of wisdom, just trust your wisdom, guys. Just trust your wisdom. Yeah, because of your impatience, maybe you stress a lot. Yeah, friendliness and awareness. You are so aware with this wisdom card and awareness. You are so aware of the things you want to do. You just keep moving forward. Okay, don't stress about things. Sometimes thoughts, you are, yeah, the last card is the source here, the back. So yeah, this is Ace of Wands energy. This is Ace of Wands energy. It's like connecting to the source, connecting to the divine, getting more spiritual. So just yeah, this is something, because of impatience, maybe you will be overthinking why this is not working. You will get very impatient about things. You will be, you need to detach from the outcome. I feel like that for some of you. You are aware, you know that, but then too you keep on repeating the same mistake. I feel like that, you need to change that thought. Okay, you need to change that thought. Okay, and For this I need, I don't know, I feel like you need to filter your thoughts also. Sometimes your thoughts like go, you are so wise, you know everything, but then to your thoughts are like your problem. So it's important you maintain the positive thoughts, okay? Don't be attached to the outcome, okay guys? Don't be attached to the outcome. Some of you, I'm feeling that, you know, you are so attached to the outcome. Because of that you are stressing whether this will happen. Maybe it's your finances that you're stressing about. Will I be able to make that much money? Will be I able to pay the rent or something like that, you know? So that is what it's that is the, you know, that is what you need to learn, to let go of the things that is not serving you, and to be true to yourself, okay? And don't let anyone take your peace, okay? Don't allow anyone to take your peace. Be true to yourself, be honest with yourself, okay? And let all the positivity come towards you, okay? So just think about positive thoughts. It's okay to have negative thoughts, but don't be you know, don't put too much of energy in it, okay? So that is what. And when you're feeling that much of negativity, just meditate, ground your energy, do some cleansing rituals or something like that, okay? So that is what. Or watch a movie that makes you happy, as simple as it, okay? So because you know when you are like this so you will know that, okay? So that time just change it, you are aware of that. So much of awareness, okay? So with this friendliness, yeah, we have this yellow color and this pink color, love and confidence. You need to be more confident in yourself, I feel like that, okay? Be more confident. So yeah, that is what is like a little bit more confidence you want. Sometimes you stress and you self-doubt yourself. Don't do that. You're beautiful, you have so much of wisdom, you will be transforming other people's life, okay? So this is your journey. So this is what you need to learn, to let go of the things that is not serving you, let go of the energies that is not serving you. Maybe someone is like someone doesn't like, maybe I don't know why this message is coming. Maybe there are people who don't like your success, they're jealous about that. So just protect your energy here, okay? Just be patient. Patience is the key to success, okay? That is what you need to do, okay? And when you feel like, yes, I need to take a break today, just go and take a break, okay? And if you feel yes, you need to take action, just trust your intuition and go take the action, okay? So yeah, this is going to be a little bit difficult for you, I feel like that. This is what you're learning, to let go of these kind of things, you know, the negativity, you know, because as a child also, you know, till now you were that kind of person who was like overthinking about things like finally you're transforming, you know, you're changing your perspective about that also. So it's good. And just to, you know, connect to we have high priestess also here. Yeah, you're very intuitive people. Sometimes, you know, you don't trust your intuition, you need to trust it more, you need to trust your wisdom. So yeah, that is what I'm getting. You need to trust yourself more, okay? Trust your gut feeling, trust. That is what is like your problem, I feel. You don't trust yourself that much. Just go ahead and trust yourself, everything will be okay. Just trust the universe, have faith in yourself, okay? So that's all for group number 2. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3, whoever chose this bow. Okay, I feel you will be recognized, you will be respected. That is what I'm feeling. You will be recognized for your talents. Okay, your spirit guides are recognizing you. I feel like that's what it's happening. You know, or maybe yeah, where you have felt left out, where people haven't recognized your talents, gifts. Finally, I feel some recognition is coming into your life this 2021. And maybe I feel respect is also coming here your way. You will be very, very respected, okay? That is what, some high position, maybe in your job you will get some high position. I don't know why, like that kind of energy where you will be very, very respected, very, very loved, okay? And you have earned it, okay? So yeah, that is what I'm feeling here, okay? Okay, so you chose this card, right? So we have 8 numbers, 26, 2 plus 6, 26 might be important to you guys, okay? So let's see. 8 number is also about like abundance. Yeah, abundant. You will be feeling abundant in love. Money wise, I yeah, that is what I'm feeling. You'll be very very respected. Okay, gratitude, yes, you need to be more grateful for the things you have already in your life. So that is what is that you'll be learning spiritually. You know, the your spiritual lesson is to be more grateful, to have gratitude, you know, towards everything you have in your life. When you have gratitude, you will increase your abundance, your blessings. So I feel you need to be more grateful and give gratitude for everything in your life, for the small small blessings you have in your life. Be grateful for that. Okay, so gratitude, if you want to turn your life around, try thankfulness. It will change your life mightily. Okay, whatever. Okay, gratitude is a powerful kindness energy, one expressed outwardly by giving thanks for the richness brought to you by the other people, their services and contribution. Your gratitude builds a feeling of kinship that breaks down all illusion of separateness. Okay, so this is what you need to be more cultivating in your life, that is to be more grateful for the things you have. So I feel you will get your recognition, your that is what you I told you, you will get your recognition, your respect, your love, but you need to be more grateful for the things you have already in your life. Okay, when you will be more grateful, you know, things are gonna change. So that is, maybe for some of you, you're not that grateful. Okay, so that is what you need to learn. You need to cultivate that in your life, to give thanks to the divine, to be thankful for the universe. You know, sometimes we don't we become we don't give that thanks. You know, we never thanks. Sometimes that is what you need to do more. That is the thing. If you give more thanks, you will change your life for good. You know, you will get the recognition, you will get the respect. Be more thankful. I feel like that is what you need to you know, you know, give thanks to your friends, give thanks to your family. You know, if you're working in an environment, if someone does for you something, just give thanks. You know, give good blessings to them and it will come. Be happy for when someone is happy, be happy for them. If someone is doing great, say some kind words to them, you know. Okay, because that will come around to you guys. So be more grateful. That is what you need to learn here. That is what it's like. What else? Let's see for 2021 spiritually relearning. That is the habit you need to cultivate more in your life. Okay, gratitude. And when you do that, you know, things are going to change for you, because I feel abundance is there, but you need to be more grateful for the things you already have in your life. Okay, so sometimes you will have this lack mentality where you will be the low, this I got this much only. You know, you don't have to do that. When you receive something, give your you know, be thankful for that. You know, enjoy that energy, be thankful. And you know, sometimes when we get small things, be thankful for that also. You know, enjoy that. You know, when you get like that to your favorite food, just be thankful for that. Yeah, wow, I got today that. You know, enjoy, you know, embrace that, feel that. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, feel that energy. When you will do that, you know, you will receive all the blessings you want in your life. Okay, so what else for group number 3? Okay, so that is the card. Balance. Okay, you need to balance. Okay, so that is what it's like. You will be learning to balance the things in your life. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. Okay, so that is what I'm feeling like. You know, you're afraid of judgment. Okay, so for some of you, you need to be, you know, there will be people who will judge you no matter what you do. Okay, so there will be two types of people will be there who will okay, so two types of people are there in the world, right? So they can make any positive situation turn negative, or other people are who can make any negative situation turn positive. Okay, so you need to have a balance. You need to know that, you know, you that you can make any negative situation positive. Okay, you don't have to like why I said that, I don't know, but yes, you need to work on that. I feel like that. Maybe sometimes if something negative happens, you become very very negative towards it. You will not be thankful. You will be like, why this happened to me? Maybe you need to balance that energy. You know, when positive things happens, you embrace that. At the same time, when negative things happen, don't be like judging yourself for that. Maybe you're judging yourself for that. Maybe you overthink a lot, and because of that, I don't know, I feel like you judge yourself. Yeah, you judge yourself. You have a lot of expectations from yourself, and when someone doesn't give you that, you judge them. Okay, if someone doesn't tell you that, oh, you are like doing good or something, like you will be like judging them. Don't judge them. Okay, so look at yourself and see whether you are giving that to them, whether you are appraising them. I don't know why I'm getting that, like you should, if you expect something from someone, you need to do it for them also, right? Yeah, that's why the gratitude card is also here. You need to balance your energies. You don't judge anyone on how they look, what they are. Just uh, don't judge. Okay, and remember, when you are kind to other people, you know you will get back the kindness. That is what I'm getting. So maybe for some people here, okay, you talk without thinking, so you need to think a lot. Uh, you need to think before you speak. That is what I'm getting here. I don't know, this is like completely, yeah, you need to think before you speak, and be grateful for all the things you have in your life. Sometimes you are like not so grateful about the things you have. You're not giving the thanks. You need to balance your energies here. Sometimes you're on your head, you think a lot. Okay, so you need to think from your heart. Okay, so if you expect kind words from someone, give that to someone. You need to balance that, and don't judge anyone. Maybe you need to learn that. So sometimes we constantly judge people for their behavior, for their way of dressing. Don't do that. Okay, so change that. So that is what you're learning. I feel many of you are changing that habit of yours. Okay, this came in group 2 also. Perseverance. Yes, this came in group number 2 also. Yeah, you need to be more patient with yourself. Okay, you have talents, you have creative talents, you will get the recognition you deserve, but you need to be more patient with yourself and keep on moving forward. And in this journey, don't judge anyone. Okay, don't try to bring anyone down. Okay, be kind to them and help them, and if they do some help to you, just respect that and give your thanks, give your gratitude. And when you do that, you will get all the blessings. You have that much, you need to have that perseverance. You can, you are that talented, you're creative, and be grateful for that also, right? And never give up. Okay, and maybe you are afraid of other people's judgment towards you. For some of you, it can be that you are you are afraid of other people's judgments. Don't be afraid. There will be people who will judge you. You don't have to get into that. Okay, so remember, maybe you are very afraid to show your skills to someone because you feel that they will judge you. Don't do that. Believe in yourself. That is what I'm getting here for this group. Okay, so for group number 3, what are the messages, spiritual messages for group number 3? Okay, wait a second. Yeah, sometimes you get very angry also. I feel like that. Yeah, you need to work on that also. I don't know for this pile, I'm getting that. Yeah, guidance, compromise. Look, sometimes you need to balance your energy, and sometimes you're all over your head, so you need to stop that overthinking. And at the same time, because of your overthinking, you're not able to get the guidance from the divine. Okay, you need to calm your energy. Yeah, celebrations. These women are celebrating in the rain. Okay, so I feel like that there is no time to celebrate. You can celebrate a small success also. be grateful for your small successes also. You don't have to like, oh, when I will achieve that then only I will celebrate. No, you will need to celebrate all the small success you have. Okay, so these women are not afraid, they are just like enjoying themselves. Even it's raining, they don't care, they don't care about the mud and all, they don't care about the dirt, they're just enjoying, they're dancing. So that is what you need to do. You need to enjoy all the small things in your life. You're not doing that. You're just believing that if I get that position then only I will be happy. No, you will not be happy when you get that position. So because you are just wasting your present moment right now. So this is what you need to learn. You need to learn to be grateful for the present moment, to enjoy your present moment, to not to be in the future. You need to compromise. Sometimes you need to compromise on certain things also in your life. Sometimes you need to know the percept. This is what I'm getting here for some of you. You need to know the why other people is behave. When someone okay, so this is I'm getting here. The message is sometimes the energy that you put out, you get it back. So if you're getting very very negative vibes from around the people, so just look into you, what are you emitting? Okay, so that is also, you need to make a balance with that. Are you thinking very negatively? Are you talking to people positively, or are you being rude to people? Okay, I don't know why I'm getting like that. So some people here they get very angry. Okay, if you're not resonating, this message is not for you. Okay, so for some of you, if you get very angry towards people, if you are rude towards people, please take a look on that. I feel you are not so connected with your higher self. I feel like that. Okay, you know yeah, look at that end card. We have this flowering. You're meant to shine, right? You're meant to shine. You are meant to be this Queen of Pentacles energy. You will grow to be a very abundant person. That's what I'm saying. You are meant to have the recognition in your life. But if you get that negative vibe from other people, so just take a look on yourself, whether you are being very positive towards that person. Were you judging that person? Did you say something bad to that person? You need to think before you speak. So that is what I'm getting for some of you. It's like clearly you need to your anger is like too strong. Okay, so sometimes you get angry and you say things without thinking. Okay, so you need to stop that. Okay, so yeah, because of that you are you sometimes you get so angry and you don't know what you need to do. Okay, so maybe you take that when you're angry and impatient, and if something doesn't work, you take that on other people. Don't do that. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I'm getting that. You need to be more grateful to the people who are around you. Okay, you need to appreciate them. Maybe you need to spend time with your friends also. I feel like that. Okay, so you need the main lesson you need to learn is to balance your own energies, to look what side is not so good about you. You need to work on yourself also, and embrace whatever maybe you're so hard on yourself, maybe you're judging yourself. That can also be the thing here. Okay, it's not you're being rude to other people or something like that. Maybe you're judging yourself harshly. If you fail, you are like, oh, I cannot do. Maybe you're judging yourself very harshly. Don't do that. Love yourself, embrace yourself. Okay, and when you embrace yourself, when you love yourself, when you trust in yourself, then you will be able to hear the guidance from the angels, from divine. You will get the messages. Okay, so I feel for this pile, you need to meditate more, you need to ground your energy more. Okay, maybe you're so busy in your life that you're not taking time out in nature or something like that. So maybe take enjoy the rain. If rain is if there is rain, enjoy your rain, celebrate with your friends who are near to you. So yeah, just take a note on that. Okay, because at the with this flowering card, you're going to be very mature. You will be able to balance everything, because I feel Queen of Pentacles is like she balances her home life, career, everything. But right now, that is what you're gonna learn. You need to balance your energies, to balance your own bad side and good side, because every person has that. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing. You need to be more patience and don't get angry. You need to work on that also. I feel like that sometimes you get, you get so angry that you, without thinking, you say things to other people and it hurts other people. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. You need to be more grateful for the things you have, to the people around you. You need to spend time with them. Okay, don't think about yourself only. Take some time for others also. I don't know, I feel like this for this pile. Okay, it's like a very different message, but at the end of the day, when you balance that energy, when you will be very grateful for the things, that is what you're learning. You are learning to be more grateful for the things you have, to enjoy each small successes that you have. Then you will be able to, easily balance everything, your career, your home life, your energies, divine masculine, divine feminine, everything will be balanced. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 3. But you're meant to be very abundant. I feel like that the only thing that is stopping you is your own energy. I feel like that, your own overthinking. And sometimes you are so attached to the outcome, the result, that you're not seeing, you're not enjoying your present moment. I feel like that you need to be in your present moment, enjoy the moment, and be grateful for the small things you have in your life. And when you do that, you are meant to have a higher position. I feel like that you're meant to shine. Okay, with this Aries energy, I feel like that you Aries energy, where Aries are like, the emperor card, like to have a good position in your life, you will receive that. With this flowering also, I feel like that you will have a everything. You will be abundant, but yes, you need to work on that right now. This is what I'm getting. Okay guys, so if you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.